Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to hide certain items on your Squarespace shop because you might be taking some of your items to, let's say, an art fair or a gallery, and you don't necessarily want to sell those online and in person at the same time because you have different ways of selling your items when you are doing these shows, fests, or anything like that. You don't accidentally want to sell something that you only have one item of to somebody in person and somebody online at the same time. So this is how we hide our items. And I'm also going to teach you how to schedule your items in case you, let's say, are an artist and you want to order more prints and you know more prints are coming and they'll be here, let's say, on the 10th. We can schedule something for the 15th for that specific item to come back into stock. So I'm going to teach you all of that, and I'm going to show you two different ways to schedule, hide, or make your items go public. So let's get into it. The first way is the generic way that most people know about. This is a little bit longer. However, if you're comfortable doing it this way because you're already familiar with your actual shop, then I would recommend this. So first, you go to your shop and you pick the items that you want hidden. Let's start with, let's say it's this item that you want hidden. You press the three dots, click edit, and then go to organization. And right here where it says visibility, this is where you can hide it. And then once it's hidden, you just press save and it's done. Now let's say it's a print that you want to, that is out of stock and you know that it's going to be back into stock on the 10th, and you can go to schedule and pick the day, apply, boom, it'll be scheduled to go live on that day. You also want to make sure that you are editing certain the inventory for each of them. So you want to go back up to your inventory and make sure all of that is updated when you are scheduling your items. But in the meantime, let's go back to the other way that we can do this. So the other option is to go to selling, go to products, and then all of your items are listed right here. And you can change the visibility so easy right here. You can click hidden and then it's done. Once it's hidden, it's hidden. You don't have to press save. You don't have to do any of that. It automatically saves it. You can also press public. You can also go in and schedule it for the 10th over here. You can apply that. You can go back and just say public. This is probably the fastest way to do any of that stuff. You can do a few other things too. So let's say, you wanted to schedule this one for the 10th. Let's do that. And we're going to press apply, and we're going to say we're actually going to have 15 items there. You press 15, boom, it's saved. Let's now turn that back to exactly what it was so we don't mess anything up. This is exactly where you can fill out all your stocks, your inventory, your price changes, anything like that. And then you can also press the three dots and you can click the edit from there and do more. So honestly, I 10 out of 10 recommend doing any edits to your products from selling products and working around here. You can search your items as well by tags or categories. So if you have a specific tag or a category that you are working with, so let's say canvas originals, you can see all of them here. You can also add products from here. You can import old products. You can add anything from your services, downloads, gift cards, etc. So this is the easiest way to work your products. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.